Hello class. I just wanted to help you a little bit with your nutrition assignment. Several students have only been turning in the nutrition assessment worksheet and the daily caloric expenditure worksheet. However, if you read through the entire assignment, you're going to have to do screenshots of day 1, day 2, and day 3, and screenshots of both of the reports. So if you follow all these, I know it's a lot, but if you follow all of these instructions on here, you will it will be easy to find what day 1, day 2, and day 3 look like, and the screenshot of the reports, not just of the averages for day 1 and day 2 and day 3, but the reports do the average of all 3 days combined. So it explains this in great detail. Just follow step by step by step, and you should be able to understand what you need to turn in to get full credit. These 2 points are worth over half of the grade, so be sure you get them in when you are submitting your nutrition assignment. Have a great day.